Saint-Antoine-de-Tilly is a charming village in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of Quebec, just 25 kilometers southwest of Quebec City. Nestled along the southern shore of the St. Lawrence River, it's known for its beautiful landscapes and rich history. Saint-Antoine-de-Tilly is one of Quebec's most beautiful villages. With a population of around 1,462, it offers a warm, small-town feel. The village dates back to the early days of New France, and its name honors Saint Anthony of Padua. One of the highlights here is the stunning view of the St. Lawrence River. This 300-year-old village is adorned with vibrant flowers and charming historic buildings. The local church, classified as a historic monument, adds to the village's appeal. Saint-Antoine-de-Tilly is rich in history and culture. The church, built in 1788, and the Manoir de Tilly from 1786 are must-see landmarks. The village is also great for biking with its beautiful country paths and ancestral farms. Nature lovers will appreciate the stunning landscapes, beaches, and hiking trails. The marshes here are protected, providing a great spot for picnics and birdwatching. As you travel through Saint-Antoine-de-Tilly, you'll see many well-preserved historic buildings, including 3 stately manors, a former general store, and 2 procession chapels. The village's architecture is a beautiful representation of traditional Quebec. In summary, Saint-Antoine-de-Tilly offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're here for a relaxing getaway or an adventure, this picturesque village has something for everyone.